Hey, what's going on, guys? Just got back from fireworks store in Wisconsin. I spent about $50. It was about $45, and some odds change, you know. So let's start over here. I got a 100 strip of Black Cat firecrackers, $1.50. Jumbo firecrackers by Full Blast. Little Dynamite by Black Cat, $3. These jumbo firecrackers are $4 for those three. $3 to Little Dynamite. Utter Chaos by Black Cat, $5. And Jump Shots. There's 6 pieces in there by The Works, and that was $5 as well. Over here we got Shogun Double Whistle Power Candle. Performances, powerful shots of long, loud silver whistle, not once but twice. And then Black Cat Blue Blaster, 10 pearls with report. And we got some Twister sticks over here. They were $1. This candle right here was $3, and this Roman candle was $1.50. 12-shot mini artillery shells by I don't know what brand that is. It's like what all the Chinese looks like no brand fireworks. We got a little kicker, 16-shot 200-gram cake. Performances, green peony with gold glitter, brocade crown of gold glitter, a great break mini cake. There's a size. No, there's my finger. Anti-Tank Mine by Full Blast once again. This is 16 shots as well. There's my finger, so there's a size comparison. This doesn't have a brand on it. This one right here, it doesn't have a brand on it. Next cake is Night Wave. This don't have a performance, but it's 8 shots. It's $9. Next cake is Woohoo. This has a performance. That's by Showtime, and this is by Showtime as well. Night Wave. Whoop It Up with this great small atom green tail. 2 big green and purple bursts of gold glitter alternating with purple tail. 2 big yellow and blue bursts with white glitter. And it's 7 shots. And up here we got a 6-ball small festival ball kit. And whoops. We got a Showtime 6 festival ball kit. So there's all my fireworks that got today. About $46 worth. You know, I don't see where $46 came in, but if we would have went to where I normally would have went, that would only been like $30. But you know, it don't matter. Well, look forward to my videos, possibly tonight, testing out probably an Utter Chaos and Jump Shot tonight, so peace.